This just reminds me of the responsibility we have sometimes when we're sending off energy back and forth on the internet. I'm gonna make sure that when you come here, that you leave with something positive. Yeah. All right, let's run it over here. Throw a decals plug-in over the top of that. Nah, that's the one right there. Sweet. There's something there. There's for sure something there. That. Gonna be a bass line, but I'm gonna lay it down with the piano because I can hear it clear. Where's my bass? Where 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 that bass? Where that bass at? There it go. Rickenbacker bass. All right, so we got to transition this into the chorus. So I'm going to do this a little bit out of order since we got the bass. Stop. What we doing right now? Bring it back. What an accident that was. Yeah, that's done. New beat. Brand new whip, got no keys.
Look up, Nazi. Say cheese.